Welcome everyone to IDB. It is Andrew here. I remember 10 or so years ago, my parents had these digital photo frames. They were so frustrating. The photo, they didn't look very good. They were really thick and large, and you had to load everything onto them using like SD cards and USB drives, and it was a pain in the butt. So I took a new look when I found the Nixplay Seed. This is a 10-inch photo frame, but it's super thin, super lightweight, has an amazing looking IPS display, and basically Wi-Fi, which opens up a whole bunch of other new features. It even has a motion sensor so that it turns on and off only when people are in the room. Included in the box is literally everything you need. You don't need any additional USB or flash drives or anything like that. It has a basic power cable, which is a built-in USB cable, and then a remote. But you don't even need the remote. The remote kind of immediately feels dated when you can control everything straight up through your phone. But I guess this is kind of another option you can keep in your drawer with all of your other remotes and pull out if you ever don't have your smartphone around and you need to control it. The frame itself is super simple, very nice matte black, and the screen looks pretty amazing. It looks a little bit washed out here on camera just with lighting conditions, but in real life it looks really nice. You still have issues of vertical photos in a horizontal frame where bars are on the side, but you can always zoom in, and that's kind of my fault for putting a portrait photo in a landscape frame. Of course, you can turn the frame portrait mode if you'd like, but that's always an option. But I love that you can share this with other people. They can all send photos to it since it's Wi-Fi based. You don't have to get in there, mess with it. You could mount this on the wall if you wanted and route that cable behind it and just not have to worry about it. Not have to worry about SD cards or thumb drives. Literally send all your favorite photos as often as you want. It's so easy to get photos to it now that I continuously keep this thing updated. And it's pretty awesome because when I would print photos out, where am I going to display all of them? I can't hang them all up on my wall, and I can't put them all on my table. So this is a superb option for just constantly updating with everything that's new. The app itself is very well thought out. You can easily jump in, view the different frames you have, and control those frames. I can tap on that remote button so it makes it really easy to get directly to the remote. That's a really smart idea without having to dig through things literally from the home screen. You can get directly to the remote. So very good idea if you really want to get in there quickly and make changes. For tinkerers, you can really get in here and change all of the small granular settings, including time zones and brightness levels. Do you want clocks? Do you want captions? Do you want, what kind of effects do you want? Do you want things to zoom in? Do you want transitions? How long should they transition? All of that stuff can be customized here in the app. Moving photos over is pretty much dead simple. I simply choose send photos from the left-hand menu or from the home screen, and I can either use the camera or ones I've already got saved on here. Because of iCloud Photos, I got tons of photos from my Nikon as well as ones that I've shot on my phone. For this case, I just chose a bunch of my cat, and then I can choose a playlist to save them to, or an album. So in this case, I just want to put that into pets. I can choose pets, I can put it into multiple playlists, just one playlist, whatever it is that I want to do. I can go ahead and save that playlist and then move on. It'll automatically wirelessly transfer all of those photos over and upload them to my frame. When I'm viewing my frame specifically, I can see all the different photos that are on here, such as my Atlanta vacation, pets, family, any ones that I have set up. I can even hide certain ones, so if I don't want certain ones to play at certain times, I can hide them. I can turn them on when I'd like. The Nixplay Seed is a fantastic photo frame. It looks great, it's simple, it blends in, and it is so dead easy to get photos from my Nikon, my phone, straight to the frame itself. I don't have to worry about keeping it updated, and I can always have my pictures on display. I highly recommend this, and if you want to pick one up, you can find it at the link below in the description. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Go ahead and subscribe. And until next time, this is Andrew for IDB.